You've created and accessed your personal profile in anatomy.tv, and now we'll take a look at your personal dashboard. By default, you will see the recommended modules based on the options you selected when creating your profile. You can see all of the modules you have access to via your institutional or parent account by clicking on All Titles. Clicking on Recommended will of course return you to your recommended modules. Favorites lists out all of the modules that you have picked out for yourself. It is easy to favorite a module. In All Titles, just hover over the module of interest and add as a favorite. Recently Viewed is an important addition, presenting both the modules you previously used as well as the last 10 pieces of content you interacted with, making it easy to jump in from where you left off. As a side note, if you do have access to our real-time module, please be aware that recently viewed content in real time will not show changes made to the model itself. Accessing your profile options can be done by clicking on the icon in the top right. Here you can adjust your personal details and specialization information. Please do be aware that if these details are changed, your recommended modules will adjust accordingly. You can get access to these help videos and other useful resources relating to your personal profile by clicking on the information icon in the top right, and of course you can get in touch with us at www.primalpictures.com/contact if you have any questions.